In today's video, I'll teach you how to change language on Android phone. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. So if you want to change the language, it is actually very simple. Find the option for system and tap on it. In some devices, the settings option can be general management too. So if you see that option, tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on this option, languages and input, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings related with languages. You'll be able to see various options over here. At top, you'll be able to find this section for preferred language. You'll be able to find the option for languages over here. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the languages that has been added to your device. If you want to add new language, tap on this option, add a language, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add a language. Simply tap on the language that you would like to add. Now you can see over here that particular language will be added. But simply adding the language will not change the language on the Android phone. What you have to do is simply tap on that language. Now drag it to the top. Make sure it is in number 1. Now after you do that, you can simply go back. The changes will be saved. Now you can see over here your language will be changed on the Android phone. So that is how you change language on Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.